What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to rename your workspace on InVideo AI. Once you log into your account, simply click your profile in the upper right hand side, then go ahead and click on profile. Here on the left hand side, click on workspace settings, and here you'll find your workspace name. You also have your workspace handle as well. Now if you want to change this, just simply go ahead and change the workspace. So you can change this to say workspace, you can say work AI creative, you can call it something like that. You can rename it to whatever you want. The handles you can change it to whatever as well. You don't even have to use numbers. You can change this to Learn AI, and you can just say creative if you want to use that, or you can even put the dash there if you so desire. Whatever you want, go ahead and save each of them, and you'll be able to save that. And that's it. That's how you go ahead and change or rename your workspace or your workspace handles on InVideo AI. Very easy and very simple.